Hello guys, long time no see. Today I want to talk about what is going to happen with the channel. I've been away for quite some time, but I'm making a grand return. First thing first, I am going to make a RPG series. Hopefully we will have time to get into networking and stuff like that, but in general we will work on concepts RPG. I want to try something new. So instead of starting from the bottom, I actually take another person's series and build on top of that. Because that person stopped his series, and a lot of people in that series requested more to that series. So I'm gonna build onto that series in that way. And also, I made a roadmap for people to see what's gonna be released. So the other guy is called Stormtroopers. I will first release the video with the source files and how to implement that in general. Then I will come across all of these topics and a lot of more, like animation, quest system, combat system for melee, ranged spells, music, world building, cinematics, inventory, networking, and there will be some small videos like FPS counters, selection systems, which will come some of the first, and we will get through all this. And if you have any suggestions, you can just come into the Discord and write the suggestions, and I will be glad to do them. So I'm hoping that you guys will join in, and let's do this together.